Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I'll be your facilitator for the next 2 days as we dive into the world of total productive maintenance, or TPM. I'm excited to be here to share these concepts with you. Our goal is to make this session as interactive and practical as possible, so please feel free to ask questions and share your experiences throughout the training. How to apply them directly to the excellent work you do here in the maintenance department. Let's get started. Before we dive into the agenda, let's talk about why we are all here for the next 2 days. This training is directly linked to key business goals. By learning and applying TPM principles, we will be able to reduce breakdown time, proactively prevent failures to minimize costly downtime. Second, increase overall equipment effectiveness, unlock the hidden capacity in our current equipment. Third, boost reliability and availability, make our equipment more dependable and ready when we need it. Next is develop a culture of improvement, empower everyone to identify and eliminate waste. Last but not least, enhance maintenance planning, move from a reactive firefighting mode to a planned, stable environment. These aren't just abstract concepts. They are measurable benefits that will make our work safer, less stressful, and more productive. This is about transforming our approach to maintenance to achieve world-class performance. This training is designed to be practical. Our goal is to equip you with specific skills. When you return to your work areas, you will be able to think of this as the start of a journey. These objectives are the first steps toward becoming a more effective and proactive team. Everything we cover is designed to help you achieve these outcomes. Here is our roadmap for day 1. We'll start with the what and why of TPM to build a strong foundation. Then, we'll get into the structure of TPM with the 8 pillars before doing a deep dive into the 2 most critical pillars, autonomous maintenance and planned maintenance. We'll have a couple of breaks and a lunch session, and we'll be doing some interactive workshops, so it will be an engaging day. Day 2 is all about action and measurement. We'll start with OEE, the key metric for TPM. Then we'll look at how to systematically eliminate the problems that hurt our OEE score. And finally, we'll put it all together in a roadmap for implementation.
So, let's begin. What exactly is total productive maintenance? At its heart, TPM is not just a maintenance program. It's a fundamental change in how we think about our equipment and our roles. Traditionally, we have operators who run machines and a maintenance team that fixes them when they break. TPM challenges this. It says that keeping our equipment in top condition is everyone's job. The ultimate vision of TPM is a perfect production environment. No unexpected downtime, no products we have to scrap or rework, and no safety incidents. It's an ambitious goal, but TPM gives us the framework to pursue it. TPM isn't a new fad. Its roots go back over 70 years. It started with the simple idea of, quote, preventative maintenance, fixing things before they break. The real breakthrough happened in Japan when they realized the people who know the machines best, the operators who use them every single day, were a powerful, untapped resource. By involving operators in the care of their machines, the idea of autonomous maintenance was born, and this became the cornerstone of the TPM philosophy we use today. So why should we invest our time and energy into TPM? Because it delivers real, measurable results that impact our bottom line and our work environment. Think about the cost of an unexpected breakdown. Not just the repair parts and labor, but the lost production, the potential for late orders. TPM drastically reduces this by moving us from a reactive firefighting mode to a proactive, planned state. It also creates a positive cycle. When operators feel ownership, they become more engaged. This leads to better equipment care, which results in fewer problems, less stress, and a safer workplace for everyone.
TPM is structured around 8 supporting activities, which we call pillars. These pillars work together as a complete system to eliminate losses and improve performance. Let's briefly go over what each one means. 1. Autonomous maintenance. This is about empowering operators to take ownership of their equipment's health through daily cleaning, inspection, and care. 2. Planned maintenance. This is the maintenance team's pillar. It's about moving from a reactive, firefighting mode to a proactive, scheduled maintenance system to achieve zero breakdowns. 3. Focused improvement, Kaizen. This involves forming small, cross-functional teams to systematically solve chronic problems and eliminate the 6 big losses. 4. Quality maintenance. This pillar focuses on ensuring equipment is capable of producing 0 defects. We analyze how machine conditions affect product quality and build controls to prevent defects from occurring. 5. Early equipment management. We use our collective knowledge to design and install new equipment that is easy to operate and maintain, ensuring it's productive from day one. 6. Training and education. This is about systematically developing the skills of everyone involved, operators, maintenance technicians, and managers, to support the TPM goals. 7. Safety, health, and environment. This pillar focuses on creating a zero-accident workplace. It ensures that all improvements also lead to a safer and healthier environment. 8. TPM and administration. Finally, we apply the same principles of eliminating waste and improving processes to our administrative and office functions. Over the next 2 days, we will do a deep dive into the most critical pillars for getting started: autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, and focused improvement.
As you saw in the diagram, all 8 pillars rest on a solid foundation, 5S. Without a clean, organized, and standardized workplace, we cannot succeed with TPM. It is the non-negotiable starting point. 5S is more than just housekeeping. Shine, for example, is not just about making things look good. It's a form of inspection. When you are cleaning a machine, you will notice oil leaks, loose bolts, cracks, and other early warning signs of a problem. A successful 5S program creates a visual workplace where abnormalities, things that are out of place or wrong, stand out immediately, making it easier for everyone to maintain standards.
Now we move to the first and most important pillar: autonomous maintenance. The Japanese term is jishu hosen. This is where the culture shift really happens. We are developing our operators into the first line of defense for equipment health. Let's be clear. We are not trying to eliminate the maintenance department. We are freeing them up from fighting daily, minor fires, so they can focus on higher-level tasks like major repairs, predictive maintenance, and complex problem-solving. Implementing autonomous maintenance is a structured, step-by-step process. We can't just tell operators it's your machine now. We have to provide training and a clear path forward. These 7 steps guide a team from the very basics of cleaning and inspecting to a state of full ownership where they are actively improving the machine and their own standards. We will focus on the first few steps, as they provide the biggest initial impact. This afternoon, we'll do a workshop that simulates Step 1. Step 1 is a powerful event. We're not just tidying up. We are performing a deep health check on the machine. As the team cleans, they will uncover problems that may have been hidden for years under layers of grime. This is why we say cleaning is inspection. Every problem we find is an opportunity to improve. We use simple tags, often red tags, to mark the location of every single abnormality. This makes the problems visible to everyone and creates a to-do list for the team.
To make AM work, we use simple, visual tools. Red tags are a great example. You don't need a complex work order system to get started. A tag clearly shows there is a problem here. One-point lessons are a fantastic way to share knowledge. Instead of a thick, complicated manual, an OPL uses pictures and simple text to teach a single point. An operator can create one to teach a new team member, or a maintenance tech can create one to explain a specific inspection point. It's a way to capture and transfer skills quickly. While the operators are busy with autonomous maintenance, the maintenance department is focused on the planned maintenance pillar. This is about moving up the maintenance maturity ladder. Most organizations start in a reactive mode, constantly firefighting. The goal of this pillar is to move to a planned, scheduled environment. Preventative maintenance is a good step, but predictive maintenance is the ultimate goal. This means using technology and data to intervene at the perfect moment, just before failure occurs. A solid maintenance plan doesn't happen by accident. It's built on a structured process. We start by identifying our most critical equipment. We can't do everything at once, so we focus our efforts where they will have the biggest impact. For each machine, we decide the best strategy. A non-critical pump might be, quote, run to failure, reactive, but our main production bottleneck will require a preventative or predictive strategy. Documenting our standard procedures is key. This ensures that the job is done correctly, safely, and consistently, no matter who is doing it. Predictive maintenance, or PDM, is the advanced level of planned maintenance. It's like a doctor giving a machine a health checkup. Instead of changing a part because the calendar says so, we use technology to listen to the machine. For example, vibration analysis can tell us that a bearing is starting to fail long before it gets hot or makes noise. This allows us to plan the repair for a scheduled shutdown, order the parts in advance, and avoid a catastrophic failure and unplanned downtime.
This is the end of Episode 1. See you on Episode 2.